Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video. So in this video I have the all new Redmi 12C, and this is a new budget phone from Xiaomi which is costing around 34,000 PKR in the Pakistan market. So in this price range we have 4GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage. This phone is assembled in Pakistan and the color I have is a mint green color. So here's the box of the Redmi 12C. So on the back we have nothing. So now let's unbox the Redmi 12C. And guys, and this phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G85 SoC, which is a really powerful SoC, especially in this price range, because in this price range we mostly see a Helio G25 from other brands, while Redmi 12C you a Helio G85. So on the top we are getting our device Redmi 12C. So now let's out the phone from this box. And guys, and here is some mint green color looks like of the Redmi 12C. As you can see on the back we have a matte finish. Also we are getting these lines. We have a fingerprint scanner with the dual cameras on the back. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. Now let's see what else we get other than the phone. So the first thing, we are getting a SIM injection tool. Also inside there we are getting a quick start guide as well as a warranty card with a PTA approved verification card. Here is our charger, and guys, and this is a 10 watt normal charger, so this phone does not support any kind of fast charging. Also we are getting a micro USB on this phone, which is a really disappointing thing, I know. You can see no headphones inside the box. So now let's put all these things to the side. And now first let me remove this. So this phone has 6.7 inch 720p plus IPS LCD display, 50 megapixel AI dual cameras on the back. We have 5000 mAh battery size, 10 watt in-box charger, and the main highlight I would say about the Redmi 12C is the design language. Yes, the processor as well as the cameras, but the fast charging as well as the micro USB, it is not that great. So now let's remove this plastic. Speaker, micro USB port, main microphone. So on this side we have our SIM tray. Also inside the SIM tray we have rubber, so guys, you can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full-fledged SIM slot. On the top we have our headphone jack, so volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on a button on the right hand side. On the back we have dual cameras. We have 50 megapixel main, then we have a 1 megapixel which is a depth sensor assembled in Pakistan. So now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Xiaomi Redmi 12C. And guys, on the first impression about the display quality, this phone has a IPS LCD display with a 720p resolution, but display looks really bright. So here is the notification area looks like. And now let's go about phone. So this phone is running on Android 12. We have MIUI version 13, so no Android 13 on the Redmi 12C. Again we have MediaTek Helio G85 SoC with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, and out of 105GB it is available for you guys. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner speed. This phone has fingerprint scanner on the back. So you can see we have a lot of apps which is already installed on this phone as a bloatware. So now let's look at the camera. This phone has 50 megapixel main camera on the back with a depth sensor. It is your 1x, no ultra wireless on this phone. So the back camera maximum shoot Full HD at 30 fps, no 4K support. Here is our portrait mode, night mode. In the mode section we have 50 megapixel mode and a time lapse, so no slow motion on this phone. Anyways, now let's look at the front facing camera, and this phone has 5 megapixel selfie camera, which looks really bad. I would say it's completely trash, because in this price range we mostly see a 13 megapixel selfie camera. So the front camera also shoot Full HD at 30 fps, and portrait mode also available with the front facing camera. Night mode not available with the front facing camera. So now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 10 watt normal charging, and combined with a MediaTek Helio G85, this phone should give you at least 1 day of battery life on light use without any problem. Overall, I have to say regarding the Redmi 12C and the design language and the performance as well as the battery size as well as a single camera on the back, this phone has everything that you need from a smartphone. Yes, this phone is priced really well here in Pakistan, so I definitely recommend the Redmi 12C over any other smartphone this price range. But again, keep that in mind, we are getting a 5 megapixel selfie camera with a micro USB on the bottom. And that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video, so do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos like this, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.